try to say this. Good team. Being a model. Me personally, I'm a models.
Your hand.
I love a man, but I don't want to date a model.
Why?
Me on my side, I would never.
Okay.
I'm an artist. I've worked with my models.
Okay.
And I'm in the pride, yeah, I'm excited. I'm going to write my girl doing this and stuff. But you always make place say lawyer and stuff. But this time when I don't like it for okay. I'm to be yeah. I would let me tell you, which I want to about date. For now, in one day last one. I don't know, maybe in the long run. I would never date a model.
Okay.
A dancer.
Okay.
And maybe dancer is getting there. Yeah,
Maybe challenge.
Yeah, I'm a TikTok challenge. I don't mind that. But these ones, maybe they say it's somebody on my shows and blah, blah, blah. I would never. For me, who else? An artist. I don't think I would ever date an artist. I don't think so.
Okay.
Maybe, yeah, I'm cool with these ladies. Maybe from among the whole industry. Kube umuntu understand the industry. I'm good with abantu abaku-industry, but indirectly, like maybe ama-makeup artist for watchera abaku-industry. Yabona into ezinjalo, maybe ama-manager, ama-PA, ama-artist and that. Not these ones abaku-camera, I don't want that drama. But maybe I would have one or two just to put that drama into it. But ngambona kuthiwa ndithethe umuntu oyaziwayo, just know ukuthi it's for i-drama, guys. For ama-scandals kuphela ukuthi
not for love. But if umuntu angikhona sekhesha ke ama-feelings.
But hey, Anna for me, no. And then what can you say about maybe let's say a young person out there for by model?
Chase that dream, baby girl. You can make it. You can make money, but only if my words goes bam.
So you advise
do you know the reason why sizzling? Especially I'm a beauty patient down the corner attend Miss Zimbabwe, Miss what, Miss what. Ngale those people
kuningi wenza.
Kuningi kakhulu. Ngithi ngakhona lapha Miss Phumula, Miss Mpopoma, Miss what.
So don't you want to elevate maybe ungena Miss Universe lalana?
Ngiyabonga. Hayi angifuni.
Uma Miss Universe, no. Miss Zimbabwe.
Hayi.
Why?
Ndoda yami ayifuni right? Yeah. As I said, I'm married. Ngala kwenzi ngathi.
You guys.
Ngala kwenzi ngathi.
All right, so how are you planning on elevating i-career yakho if ufuna ukuyenza?
It's better I groom young people or young kids abasakhulayo, yeah. So
you rather be known for doing that?
Yes. Not
but I think that's a good thing. You can be known. You can still be known for doing that community and so you just heard what she's saying. Ama organizations, ama whatever. Like, please work with her. I think she's one of the good models. Yeah. So please do work with her. I think that's a good move. If we focus on that can be really good.
Yeah.
And exactly. So are we expecting any events on our ends of this?
Yes.
Yeah.
How
do you have your models that you work with?
Yeah, Formula Modeling Agency. Yeah, I have. So we're issue ekhona so soon. So I'm still working on that. Either I'll choose 2 or 3 in my.
Uchoose lo mancane lana obomvu la. Kulo lana obomvu umchoose mancane lana ehambe. And then there's that la camera. Do you remember? Do you remember ngize ngijudge with you uChurch lana? The girl that took number 2, what's her name?
Oh, Miriam.
Please, Miriam. I'll make sure which this thing gets to you. Miriam, when Taffy is doing my events, I need to see you on those. You are good, girl. You are amazing. When on my side, you were my number 1.
But she wasn't number 1.
She was number 1.
Okay, sharp. sharp.
or abanye vele bayenza crime nyawup and stuff.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, I think it's a good move.
28 because
Yes.
most companies angalayenza ilo imali because at least I think ngendlela dokuma I think an average person khola maybe boma 5k 6k
Just imagine.
of which ngale imali encane
You see?
they've i-rent they've ukudla I think I would do that much.
Transportation.
Oh yeah,
kuyagada.
transport.
So yeah, kuyahlupha. So at least if there's such a movement, I feel like it's a good move.
You think?
Yes, I think so. At least end of the day, umuntu akwazi ukunakekela umndeni wakhe, akwazi ukuthumeza ekhaya, akwazi ukuyenza this and that, kube le progress, you see? Because with 5k, ubona ukuthi umuntu end of the day usebenzela hand to mouth, usebenzela ukudla kuphela, imali yakhona iyabe incane.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, you can't do much.
Yeah, I feel you. Because mina personally vele as for essay, it's not like I hate essay like uyahlala khona, but there is a lot that like abantu abakhuluma ngakho for essay and stuff. So
Yeah,
I feel like I'm a bit scared of essay. Angcono ngisakhona even siyabe ngoba Durban, but la kweDurban nawo khona uthola umuntu ekuthi vele kayilahla crime and all.
I think it's best mahamba that side ule plan. You see, ngaphambi ukuhamba nje.
Gaba trick. Talking about essay, I saw a video like of amapholisa essay. Ahlangane le bus adigcwele amaZimbabweans angena ama-passport lana labana cross border fun and stuff. Then the Zimbabweans bathe bebona izimoto zamapholisa sesithi bephule over and stuff. Ibhasi yathi sima, they opened the door baphuma begijima. They cross this other like this fancy barbed wire thingy like begijima. You see, then there was the guy who was shooting the video. He said, "Yeah, bafe and stuff like that."
Just imagine.
Like, what's your take on izinto ezinjalo?
It's not cool. It's not cool because yabona impilo zabantu lapha sikhuluma impilo zabantu. You see?
Yeah.
So yeah, what if umuntu engalimala in such scenario? So yeah, it's not cool.
And then our families, our friends, Wanalaba, the Zimbabweans, Labo, they should. I know fixing the papers is expensive and but at the end of the day, when you're going that side, try at least to have your own papers or whatever. Like, don't just go. Because at the end of the day, some of them, they end up getting into crime. They're getting into this funny ladies benza abawenzayo and
Yeah.
stuff. So
Yeah, true.
so I feel like labo ba wrong, they should treat abantu as abantu. Labo abayenza cross border labo ba wrong, they should follow futhi
Mthetho,
imithetho, you understand? Because alright, you go there, then sokenzakala something susifa along the way. Suthi imuli ngoba athi ungafuna imuli sewuzakhipha imali eziningi wedlula ama-papers athi ufuna akhipha.
Yes.
Just because you want to keep angazi imali nathi i-passport
I think 170 somewhere.
awufuna ukhipha awufuna useva for i-170 and stuff.
Yeah.
But sokuzapha imali ezi-more than that.
I feel like abanye abantu abakwazi, you know. Umuntu nxa sekhangelene because gala that kind of information and so I feel like let me just do whatever so that ngilami ngithole something, ngithole ukudla, ngithole ukuhambisa abantwana esikolo, pha ngenza sacrifice without ukuyi-calculate, you see. So just because umuntu lwana yabe sedubekile, they just do uncalculated moves, yena seyenzela just nje kuphela ukuthi ngithole something, kasakhangeli ama-dangers and ama-outcomes amanye angaba negative, you see. So abanye abantu babengakwazi.
Yeah, I feel you. Indawana namhla serious lawana uhlene.
Come on.
Ngithusela nihle sishayane khona.
Not even.
Siyasile. So still in South Africa, so there's a guy called Tomman. That this TikTok, but he's Zimbabwean. Hlala essay.
Okay.
Tambanani. ndoyisilwe ndoyisa